Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something that's been on my mind a lot lately, the source of our energy. No, I'm not talking about coffee or energy drinks, but that deep inner fuel for the soul. Imagine waking up each day with a fire in your heart, a passion that drives every action. This isn't some mystical concept. It's something incredibly real and within reach for all of us. Let's take a quick journey through history. Think about the greats: Da Vinci, Einstein, George Washington Carver, Maya Angelou. What set them apart? It wasn't just their intellect or skills, but a relentless drive and curiosity. They tapped into a well of inner energy, a source that pushed them beyond ordinary limits. But here's the thing. That well isn't exclusive to geniuses. It's within you and me too. First, let's talk about purpose. Finding a sense of purpose is like discovering a hidden reservoir of energy. When you know why you're doing something, every obstacle becomes a challenge worth overcoming. It's the difference between dragging yourself out of bed and leaping into the day with enthusiasm. Next, connection. We are social creatures, and our relationships can recharge us in ways we often overlook. Whether it's a heart-to-heart with a friend or a shared laugh with family, these moments feed our souls. And of course, creativity. Engaging in creative activities isn't just about producing art or music. It's about expressing your inner self. When you create, you're not just making something new, you're renewing your own spirit. But there's a catch. You have to nurture this inner source. Just like any other energy, it requires care and attention. This means taking time for self-reflection, practicing gratitude, and even slowing down to just breathe. So what's the takeaway? The energy that fuels our soul is already within us. It's a blend of purpose, connection, and creativity, all nurtured by mindful living. Remember, it's not about reaching some destination, but embracing the journey itself. Every step taken with intention and passion adds to that inner fire. Thanks for tuning in. If this resonated with you, hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's keep this conversation going. Until next time, stay curious and keep fueling that incredible soul of yours.